Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be using some of the stuff I got from this month's Betsy box just to make a nice hopefully a nice little nail art design. So I've got my tips on here ready, and the stuff I'm hoping to use is this neon orange, and what I absolutely love is this jelly cyan. So I'm going to be painting the pinky and my middle nail in this lovely orange, and I'm going to be painting my ring finger and my first finger in this lovely blue, and I may paint the thumb in this colour which also came in the box. So we will get our gel polishes out. So the orange is number 116. The purple gold is 107 in the pots, and then cyan is just called cyan. Like so. I'm just going to put these into cure. I will do a second coat and I will be back, guys. Hello guys, so I am back. I have put 2 coats on. This is what we are looking like. Now for the next step on these 2 nails here, I'm actually going to put on this foil here. And I'm going to go in with my most favourite nail foil glue of all time by Mowbray. It's called Transfer Gel, and I've tried lots of different kinds by lots of different brands, and this one is my favourite. So all we do is we put a nice thin coat over the nail. Like, you really do not need much at all. I just quite literally wipe in the brush off, so it's just a really thin coat is all you need, so a little goes a long way. And then you are going to cure it for 30 seconds and we will put the nail foil on. Okay, so I am back. I've done the foil on this nail already, and I've just put this over the top here to try and keep the videos a bit shorter. So all we are going to do is we're going to get our nail foil and decide which section we want to use, and then you just place it on the nail where you think you want it. I quite like it by here, so we just press it down. And you want to make sure that you press it down very, very well so that it does transfer the design completely. Like making sure you're pressing it down right up here on the edge and on the corners. You want to take your time, and then if you slowly peel it off, if it looks like some of it hasn't transferred, you can then put it back down and give it another push. This orange one here didn't transfer, so we're just really you know, make sure you are getting the entirety of the design on the nail, like so. This nail did come out a lot nicer than this one. This one came out a bit patchy, unfortunately, but you know, I tried my best, and it does kind of look much better on the orange than the blue. But that's the foil on. So next thing is I'm going to go in with these stickers, with the ones that have the gaps in here, and I'm going to overlay them onto this nail, and then where these little gaps are, I'm going to put these gems. So I'm just going to get this stuff ready and I will be back. So we have our stickers and our little Aurora gems, and I'm just going to, as I said, pick up the ones that have the gaps in, which looks like to be the purple and orange ones. And now we are going to go in with our gems. Okay, now on these two we are also going to be putting on these gems, so I'm just going to do the same thing again. We're just going to use the top coat to stick it on, whilst also top coating our design. And we are just going to put them on, and I am just picking up random colours. I don't know how well the different colours are going to show on this blue. Just going to do a nice little shape like that at the bottom. I'm going to cure it. I'm going to do the same on the pinky, and then I will be back, guys. And here we are, we have finished. This is what the final design looks like. What do you guys think? I think it came out super cute, except I think I could have done this nail better. Please let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because it really does help this channel out a lot. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye!